Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I'm doing something different. I am being joined by my two daughters, and I'm going to have them make their own melt and pour soap. We figured while we're home, we'll have some nice fun. So they have already chosen the molds, the colors. We're using some gel colors, and the fragrance oil, which is going to be Island Escape from Brambleberry. Yeah, you chose lime, and CJ chose magenta. You guys want to say hi?
Hi, my name is Grace, and my little youngest sister is...
All right, she's hiding. All right, let's get started. So we've given both the girls 5 ounces of regular melt and pour, and we're gonna have you guys stir that up a little bit. I'm gonna get onto the other side so you can do stuff. Now,
it smells yummy.
It doesn't smell like anything yet. So the first thing Mom's gonna do, I am gonna take, and you guys are just gonna get 1 milliliter of fragrance oil each. All right.
It smells like donuts, though.
It smells like donuts. So I'm gonna pour that in and then stir that in. And then we'll add the color next. And these are gonna be used in your guys' bathrooms, which is exciting because we are all washing our hands a lot, right?
Uh-huh.
How's it smell now?
Yeah, good, yeah, because we're quarantined. We're just quarantined for
Forever. It feels like, no, it's not.
It feels like forever.
It does. We're trying to have fun. All right, so what I'm gonna have you guys do next is you're gonna take this, you can take the tops off, and these are, yeah, that can stay there, that's okay. Now you're gonna try to do 1 drop at a time, but you don't wanna get it on the spatula, you wanna get it right in there. Just 1 drop. All right, and now stir, 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 stir. Keep going, I'll put the lid on, you keep stirring, baby girl. Stir, 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 stir. Yeah, some of them are a little tougher to squeeze. Do you want my help, babe?
Yeah.
All right, just 1. All right, stir, 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 stir. And then we can always add more. You can't take away anything. So what do we think? Are you happy with that color, Steve, or you want more?
This is like perfect. More.
You want more? Okay, do 1 more drop.
This is perfect.
Is it perfect? You don't want any brighter or anything, baby?
Oh, brighter.
Okay. I mean, it's neon, but yeah, let's try. Okay, just do 1 more. Okay, and stir real quick, see, before it sinks. All right, stir, 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 because I can see it on the side. Yeah, stir, stir, stir.
Now this is going to look like a real romantic horse paw in a phoenix gem.
We've been watching the movie Onward a lot, and my middle kiddo is obsessed with it.
And
So.
I'm not. I am bored of it now. And CJ's terrified about the Curse Crusher.
Yeah, the Curse Crusher.
Yep.
All right, so let me see. Let me take a look at you guys. Okay, let me do a couple.
But Manticore will save me.
All right, so let me see. So that looks pretty good. So I am going to get a paper towel, and we can put your spatulas on them. All right, I can take the spatula out, and we'll set that there. And then careful, you don't want to get too many bubbles in it, bub.
Ah.
All right, we're gonna take this out. Now, where do you want to pour first?
Right.
You want to pour there? Okay, so slowly pour. And if you want to do more than 1 soap, you want to have it, here you go, you can slowly pour there. Oh yeah, don't touch that part, baby girl.
But it's comfy.
Here, I'll guide you. All right. So we'll have that one. And then which gems do you want to do?
The middle one.
This one?
Is this good?
Yeah, that's good. So you can do more of them. Woo!
Well, can I do more of the skeletons?
Yeah, go right ahead, hon. Pour wherever you want. So here, see, we're going to pour more into each of these. Here, we'll get on the sides.
Skeletons.
And then did you want to do another paw, CJ?
Mm-hmm.
Here, you do another paw. I'll clean those up a little bit. Sorry, baby.
I want to do this one.
Whoop.
Because these are all the same color.
Yeah. And next time we can do more complex design. This was just the first time you were doing it.
I'm doing all of that as white.
Okay, you're doing great, hon. All right, let me scrape yours out, CJ. And then you can spray it with rubbing alcohol. Go grab the pink bottle. Right over there, right, Grace. Okay, now spray each of your soaps. Yeah. All right, and get those two too.
Now it's going yellow.
Good. All right, now you wanna, yeah, you may wanna move a little faster, baby girl, because it's getting a little thick. Here, let me stir it for you. There you go.
Is it okay if we mix colors and pour another one in it?
Yes, but not this one. We're just doing 1. So why don't you put more in the spider one, because that actually needs some more. So why don't you pour the rest into that? Because it's thickening up. Yeah, see? All right. And you get 1 more and just pour it all in, baby girl. gonna scrape it out.
I think we're doing the ghost next. That will help.
All right. Now grab the rubbing alcohol and spray. No, keep still, keep still. All right, spray all of them till the bubbles out. Yeah, go a little further back. There you go.
Mommy taught me, so it's easy for me.
All right, and then we will be back in probably about an hour or two, no touching, an hour or two to unmold it.
Hour-ish.
Yeah. All right, so we'll be back.
Bye.
Okay, we are back and it's time to unmold. So how you guys are gonna unmold is you're gonna pull it.
I know.
Oh, well here, Kev, like to break the seal first.
I know. But these feel like it's ready. I
They're
wanted to mention.
Oh, you want to mention that? Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
These
Siege.
all feel ready. Make sure you feel the top part before you yank it out.
What do you think, Siege? Show the camera. Here, hold on. Oh, did you smell it?
This is a spider soap.
Here, hold it right there.
A spider soap I made, and my name is Grace Paul. Mentioned earlier.
What? Show the gem, CJ. Right under here. Right here. Your
I'm
Phoenix
telling
gem.
you should do the sides before you, and you should feel the top part before you unmold because it might be still wet, and if you pull it still wet, it's not going to be good. So
Yeah, show right here.
like a little skeleton glowing white. It's look like it's glowing, but it's actually not, and it has a little skeleton.
Okay, and we can bring these up to your guys' bathroom to use.
And also, I'm doing my next one. It's a witch hat, and my witch hat is coming in. Ouch.
No, I'll just
First,
here.
do that. This was a little mouse. It's very skinny. I did it out very skinny. Then first you should test it because you never know.
Here,
This is
scrape that up off the table. So
You
what do you
are.
guys think?
Can I do it too?
You gonna try? Yeah, just
This
push
is
it under
my
and scrape.
witch hat. This. It's very hard to see because I accidentally made a mistake there because I wanted
We
to
can use
do
this
this
too.
little one,
Or just put this over there.
but I couldn't have done this. I wanted to do
What you were
this little
was
square.
trying to do
Yeah.
was color this part, but we'll try that next. We'll use
Yeah.
a pipette. All right,
Yeah,
guys,
and
do you
also
want?
this is the ghost one, and
There you go.
it's a little glowy. Will we do another one today?
Not today, but we can do it next week. All right, do you guys want to say? All right. Do you guys want to say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
I hope you guys enjoyed this little change from normal and have a wonderful day. Thank you.